If you've ever driven a modern BMW diesel and thought, wow, this thing moves for a diesel, then there's a good chance you were sitting on top of a B47 engine. But what makes this engine such a quiet powerhouse? Why does it have a bit of reputation, both good and bad? And is it something you should run towards or run from? Today, we're diving into the BMW B47 engine. Whether you're shopping for a 3 Series or just curious how BMW pulled off one of the cleanest, most efficient diesels out there, you're in for a full story. Let's rewind to 2014. BMW had a mission: replace the aging N47 engine that had earned both praise for performance and criticism for timing chain failures. So they introduced the B47. It's part of BMW's modular engine family designed for flexibility. Same bore, same stroke principles as their petrol siblings, but tuned for diesel efficiency. This wasn't just an engine update, it was a strategy shift. The B47 came in multiple variants, 116 horsepower to over 230 depending on tuning. It powered everything from the humble 1 Series to the high torque 5 Series. Under the hood, the B47 is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel with common rail direct injection and variable geometry turbochargers in many variants. It's built with aluminum alloy blocks for weight savings and reduced emissions. But BMW didn't just chase emissions, they chased refinement. The B47 is noticeably quieter than the N47 with fewer vibrations, especially at idle, and you feel that in the cabin. Now, the real question: can you trust it? After all, the N47 had some timing chain nightmares. Here's the good news: BMW moved the timing chain to the front of the engine in the B47, making inspections and repair less invasive. Early issues were minimal, though some higher mileage models have seen EGR valve or DPF issues, but that's not unique to BMW. If you stick to servicing, use high quality oils, and let the engine warm up properly, the B47 is dependable daily diesel. In the real world, the B47 isn't just a decent engine, it's surprisingly fun. The 190 horsepower version in the 3 Series feels torquey, pulling hard from just 1500 RPM. It's a diesel that doesn't feel like a compromise. Some fun facts about this engine: 0 to 60 miles in just under 7 seconds in some trims, 400 Nm of torque in mid-spec versions, and up to 70 miles per gallon on highways in eco driving. And if you're lucky enough to get behind the wheel of an X-Drive model, say goodbye to sluggish diesel stereotypes. Now let's talk cons. One odd thing: B47 engines can drink oil on certain high load cycles. It's not dramatic, but worth checking monthly. EGR cooler recalls, especially in the 2018 and 2019 models, timing belt tensioners noise in some units, and turbo actuator rattle at cold start. These aren't deal breakers, but if you're buying used, a full service history is non-negotiable. If you're after a daily driver that blends low emissions, great torque, decent reliability, and doesn't feel like you've settled, the B47 is a strong contender. Just avoid the temptation to skip maintenance. These engines are engineered tight. Regular oil changes and software updates go a long way. Want to know how the B47 stacks up against its petrol sibling, the B48, or maybe a deep dive into the BMW's hybrid engines next? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and if anyone tells you all diesels are dead, show them a B47 on German Autobahn.